In this video, I'm going to show you how to use group invitation links on Instagram. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And the first, open up Instagram app and then at the top right corner hit Add DMs icon and then just open up some group chat. Then right there at the top hit on that group's name. And here tap Add Invitation Link. By default, this feature toggled off. All you have to do is just hit Add this switcher to turn it on, and it generates new invitation link for that group. You can right there hit Add Copy to copy it to clipboard, and now you can hop out Instagram and then let's say I want to send this link using my WhatsApp app to someone. All I have to do is just open up a conversation, tap a text field and then hit on paste and hit on send to send group invitation link to that recipient. And also I can in any time go back here to invitation link and then tap on reset to generate new invitation link for joining your group chat. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.